Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a video for you guys on how I got this look and even what I'm using for this head wrap. So I wanted to just experiment because I was looking at some comments on Facebook and someone was like, I'm having a hard time, like what material does everyone use for their head wrap, and how do you guys do it? And I just went through the comments and I read, and like people were like, oh, I use a scarf, like regular scarf for your neck, and also they use skirts, like a regular skirt that you would wear, and they also go to the material store or even Walmart and get about a yard of material. So I was like, what do I have in my closet that I can use without having to go out and buy anything? And I was like, that skirt idea is fantastic. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this look, and starting off with just what I have here on my head, which is a skirt on my head. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is just, I have like a bonnet underneath my hair and my hair is twisted up, but this is what I had on my head. And this is just a regular skirt that I used on my head to make a head wrap. So let's get started and show you guys how I did it. So as you can see here, it has like this elastic part. That's the part that I put on my head, and I kind of tuck it in. So I tuck it in here, and then that kind of makes sure that my tag is not going to be, like this tag is not going to be hanging out anywhere on my head. And then so I tuck it in, and then I go ahead and wear it like a hat. And so the front part where it's going to be excessive material is going to be at the front hanging, and that's what I'm going to use to twist. So here we go. So I'm going to put it on here. Okay. Anyway, so let me stop playing. We're gonna put it on, and then once we put it on, we're gonna tuck it here, because I don't want that excessive cloth to just be hanging. So I'm gonna tuck it, but then I'm also gonna bring it around, because I don't want this white part showing. I want more of the like patterns. So I'm gonna put that around, tuck this, and then bring it over so more of the pattern is showing. And then I'm gonna start just wrapping it. Wrapping it. And then as I wrap it, I'm twisting it around to create that front part that I want. So I'm just twisting it and putting it around and twisting it as I go and putting it around. So this makes sure that it's really secure. And then I go ahead and tuck it underneath, like the last piece. Sorry. So this last piece right here, like let me undo it so I can. So this last piece, I go ahead and like push it in so it's secure in there and it's not gonna be falling apart. And if some of you guys want, you can use a bobby pin to make sure that it's secure. And there you have it. And so let me show you guys the back. Let me just make sure that it all looks good. So this is what you get, and this is how the back is. And it's as simple as that. You don't even have to go out and buy anything. And like, I was like, this is a great idea. So this is what I came up with, and I mean, like, it looks really good and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna be probably going through my closet and finding things on how to, like, what to use for just a regular head wrap. Some people use t-shirts. I mean, it's like endless. So I would say, guys, if you want to do a head wrap, don't go out there and buy expensive stuff before you even try what's in your closet that you can use. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And again, thanks again for the support. See you guys soon in my next video.
bullshit you think you know. Forget about the niggas here that gave you half of what you really owe.